we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So this Philips 3200 series, model EP 3246/74, promises 5 delicious, fresh bean coffees with their LatteGo system. Sounds pretty convenient for a quick cappuccino.
Right. And the Bosch TIU20508 from the 300 series also boasts multiple coffee options, highlighting its one-touch milk-based beverages. Plus, it's brand new, released in April 2024, while the Philips came out in June 2023.
Okay, so both make milk drinks easily, but how do they actually do it, and which method is better? The Philips uses a LatteGo system that whips up milk froth with cyclonic frothing, supposedly creating a silky smooth texture. They claim it releases microbubbles at 394 meters per second.
The Bosch uses a Milk Express in-cup frother. It sounds like you just slide the stainless steel frothing nozzle directly into your cup. One less container to clean, maybe? I wonder which one is easier to clean, because nobody wants to spend all day washing coffee machine parts.
Philips claims the LatteGo system is super easy to clean, just 2 parts and no tubes, and it's dishwasher safe. They say it cleans in as little as 15 seconds.
The Bosch says the milk frother and other parts are dishwasher safe, and the front access makes cleaning easier. Plus, the Bosch includes cleaning and descaling tablets to get you started.
Okay, so both are relatively easy to keep clean. Excellent. What about grind settings? That's crucial for getting the right flavor. The Philips espresso machine has 12-step adjustable ceramic grinders, so you can really customize the grind from ultrafine to coarse.
The Bosch doesn't explicitly mention the number of grind settings, but it has an aroma max system that optimizes the grinding flow rate, water temperature, and water amount for each drink. So it's more automated, right? So the Philips gives you more granular control for dialing in your perfect shot, while the Bosch focuses on an automated optimal grind. Interesting.
Philips also has this AquaClean filter. They claim you can make up to 5,000 cups before needing to descale. That's a huge time saver.
Bosch has a CalClean feature with a step-by-step guide for easy cleaning and descaling, helping to extend the machine's life. So it tackles the problem head-on when it arises.
So Philips is about preventing scale buildup, and Bosch is about easily cleaning it when it happens. Different approaches.
The Bosch also lets you choose from 5 different strength levels and make 2 cups at once with the double cup function. Great for busy mornings.
The Philips makes 5 coffees but does not specify strength levels, so it seems more geared towards preset preferences.
Okay, so Bosch gives you more control over strength and double shot options, and the Philips focuses on simplicity and less descaling. Also, the Bosch comes with cleaning and descaling tablets, a Mavea water filter, and a user manual. It's ready to go out of the box.
While the Philips includes a measuring scoop and the LatteGo carafe. One thing to note, the Philips is often sold as renewed, so it might be a refurbished unit. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.